Cells are the basic units of all living things. When we look at a thin slice of a plant stem under a microscope, we see many tiny box-like cells. There is no single typical cell. Cells come in different shapes and sizes because they have different jobs. All cells have a cell membrane. It is a thin layer that controls what enters and leaves the cell. Inside the cell is the cytoplasm. It is like jelly, where many chemical reactions happen to keep the cell alive. Most cells have a nucleus. It controls everything the cell does and contains chromosomes with genetic information. Plant cells and animal cells share some parts, but plant cells have special structures. First, plant cells have a cell wall. It is strong and supports the cell, but it is not alive. Second, plant cells have a large vacuole. It is filled with cell sap and helps the cell stay firm. Third, plant cells have chloroplasts. They contain chlorophyll and capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Cells look flat under a microscope, but they are actually three-dimensional. They look different depending on the direction of the slice. In summary, plant and animal cells share basic parts, but plant cells have a cell wall, a large vacuole, and chloroplasts. These structures give plant cells special functions. Next, we will look at how these parts support the plant's life. The cell wall provides rigidity, helping the plant stand upright. The vacuole stores water and maintains turgor pressure. Chloroplasts enable plants to turn sunlight into food. This is how plants grow tall and stay healthy. Now let's recap what we learned today. Cells are the basic units of all living things, with plant and animal cells sharing many parts. Plant cells have extra features like a wall, a large vacuole, and chloroplasts. Thank you for learning with us today. If you have questions, you can review these scenes and try labeling the parts. Next time, we will explore how plant cells also store energy and minerals. Remember to observe cell diagrams with patience and curiosity. The microscope helps us discover the tiny world inside every living thing. With careful study, science becomes clear and exciting. Let's pause to summarize the main parts we covered: membranes, cytoplasm, nucleus, wall, vacuole, and chloroplasts. Now we'll end with a calm reflection on how cells build living things. This completes our 30-scene journey through plant and animal cells.